Hey guys, welcome to Cyborg Kitty. In this video, we're gonna talk about writing up a function to be able to confirm the ending. So this exercise, the main goal is we have two input arguments. So one is str, which is the main string we're gonna compare it with, and then target, which is the second input argument, which is the actual value that we are comparing. And only rule is to return true if target is at the end of string at the end, sorry, in the string, else just false. So simple as that is. It's going to be a quick video. So only thing that we got to do is make sure the target is at the end of the string. If so, return true. If not, return false. To do this, one other rule is do not use ends with. So to do this, we're going to use either slice or substring, sub str function. That's one of the hints here. So I'm going to explain both and let you know how it works out. So it's just going to be quick one line. So we're going to write return, and then we're going to write some way of a comparison statement because that's how the return value is going to be either true or false. So one thing we know for sure is to compare the last part of the string. So in this example, let's just take this, right? By looking at the input and the way that the arguments are given, we know for sure that we all we were worried about is comparing the last part of the input 1 with input 2 and make sure they are same or not. Um, that being said, so what we got to do first is somehow break this input 1 and get last part. So we just want somehow to either slice it or get the substring from that is equal to the target length in the input string. So in order to do that, first I'm going to use slice. And in the slice function, the interesting thing is the way slice function works is you can give start index and end index. What this does, it actually slices the string including the start point up to the end, but not including the end. So if you actually give the value 0 and 3, what this does, it takes 0, 1, 2. That's it. Because third is the end point. As soon as it hits 3, it stops. It does not include the third index of that string. So this way, there is another way to write this. So let's say if you actually give a negative number like -5, what this does, it actually does it in reverse. So it will start from the fifth point at the end, not including the 5. As you know, the string goes from 0 to so on and so forth. So you'll get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, hits 5, it stops there and it returns you this value. So that's what we want. We want to be able to get it from reverse. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say negative target dot length. So what we're saying so far is, so we have input passed in, and then what we're doing is slicing it with the target's length. Target's length here is 1, so we're doing slice -1. So what that results in is just n because that's the 0 index in reverse. So we got 0, it's 1, it stops there, and you get one element back from the end of that string. And now all we have to do is pretty simple, just compare it with target. That's all you need to do. So you take the last part of the string, you slice it according to the target length because that's the last part that we want to compare with the string, and then return the target. Now if you run it, there we go. It works out perfectly. Same logic works out for substring as well. So instead of slice, if you use substring and then put the negative value for the length and run it, it works out the same way. That's the quick video on how you can compare the end. It's a quick assignment. So yeah, if you do like this video, do hit that like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cyborg Kitty. I really hope this video helped you or give you more clarity on how this function works and maybe easier way to do it. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Until then, have fun coding. Bye.